You know, when we go through life, we start getting these stories in our heads and we start seeing life through filters. So when I'm young, something happens, I make a mistake, I get teased by a sibling, and I feel like I'm stupid. And I put on these glasses. I'm stupid. Then later in life, I start a job and I'm always late. So then I'm unreliable. And then I get in a relationship and the guy says, "You're super high maintenance," and leaves me and breaks up with me. So then I go through life thinking I'm high maintenance. So then I'm stupid, unreliable, and high maintenance. So then I'm going through life trying to have this good sense about myself with all these filters. So then I go to introduce myself. Hi, I'm stupid, unreliable, and high maintenance.
Hi, I'm insecure and not worthy. We want to help you take off your glasses and nourish the strength and beautiful being inside of you.
We want to give you the tools to help you get calm and get in touch with that quiet space within.
We're very excited to bring to you our Winning Wellness experience. It is launched.
We're so excited because it's available online 24/7 at winningwellness.learnworlds.com. It's available now, and we're running a special through the summer. So please check it out, and we look forward to creating
Sustainable happiness together.